101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, of course, English program, namely Smart Up Your Life English discussion with English communities. And of course, as usual, I'm not alone here. We have many friends from many communities. Hi, guys. How are you guys?
Good, fine.
Are you sure, guys? Do you feel cold here because air conditioner maybe? Not really. Okay, come on. Are you ready? Okay, of course, giving applause for us first. And as I mentioned just now, that we have many friends. Of course, they are come from every meeting clubs, every single meeting clubs, and of course, absolutely, they are a representative of their meeting clubs. And of course, today or this evening, we have friends from Hague, yeah, has another English club. We have a friends from Setting. We have a friends from Bicara also. And here there are or consists of 4 peoples, of course. And anyway, but before we running our discussion, of course, absolutely, we have to introduce you guys. You have to introduce yourself one by one to smart viewers and listeners at home, of course. And yeah, maybe start from you. Okay, could you take and speak to smart viewers? Could you introduce yourself? Who is your name? Where are you from? And what is your meeting club, please?
Before that, I'm say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Awal Ramadan.
How can we call you?
You can call me Adam, Adam.
Okay, everybody say hi, Adam.
Hi guys.
Okay, Adam.
And I'm from Jalan Bayam. You know Pasar Terong, guys?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And I'm from Setting Saturday English Meeting.
Okay, Saturday English Meeting Club. Could you mention where is the exact location and what the time people come join with your meeting clubs?
If you want to come to my meeting club, you can go in Saturday in Universitas Sawery Gading Makassar and Jalan 9. Jalan 9.
It's a time. What the time?
The time is from 8 o'clock and 10 maybe
Morning.
Yeah, morning.
Okay.
To evening.
Morning to evening?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So many people can join there, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
free of charge.
Yeah, free.
Okay, thank you, Adam.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're
next. Okay, what is your name? Where are you from? And what is your English community?
Okay, hello guys.
Hi.
Let me introduce myself. I am Rahmat. I live in Jalan Perintis,
Okay.
and I am representative of Hasanuddin English community.
Hack.
Hack
Yeah.
or hack. Yes.
Okay, what about the schedule?
You know, in the past, we had a regular meeting on Wednesday and Friday at 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay.
But since pandemic, so we convert to online meeting.
Okay.
It's Friday at 8 in the night.
Okay. Wow. Is everyone can join with Hack?
Yeah,
How the
it's-
procedure?
It's just joining the group WITA, and then the member will share a link, Zoom link, and that you just click and then ready to express your idea.
Okay. Maybe from the participant they have to follow first your English community Instagram, right? And after that DM the people who comment it, and after that ask to join with your online like that, right?
Yeah, in the past it's like that, but now I don't think so. So you just ask the member of Hack, and then they will invite you to join in WITA group,
So free of charge.
free of charge.
Okay, thank you, Rahman.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, what about you next? Who is your name? Where are you from? And what is your English community?
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Evening,
warahmatullahi
everyone.
wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Okay. My name is Agung Permana Saputra, but you may call me Agung.
Hi, Agung. Okay.
Okay, I live in Jalan Raya, near from Waduk there.
Yeah.
Waduk?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. And this I same club with Adam.
Setting.
Yes,
Okay.
from Saweri Gading University.
Okay, thank you, Agung. Yeah. Okay, next. The most beautiful here. Okay, good to introduce yourself, please, guys.
Okay, my name is Vera Fadrani, and you can call me Vera.
Okay.
And I live in Pacinongan.
Oh, Pacinongan or Pecenongan?
Pacinongan.
Pacinongan. In Sambal Paguar regions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you from? I mean, your village?
My village.
Yeah.
Honestly, I was born in Masamba, but I grew up in Sengkang, so I don't know. when people ask me where do you live, where you come from, I don't know what should I answer
okay.
because I was born in Masamba, but I grew up in Sengkang.
Okay, what is your community? And what the
Mabicara.
time? Mabicara. What is
Yes.
schedule?
On Sunday
Sunday.
night.
English program. English
Um,
community.
English. We have another like
Mm-hmm.
languages, but I don't know the
Okay.
schedule because I just focus on English.
Okay, polyglot, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vera. Okay, we go plus first for us, guys. Thank you because you recognize yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home. And when we talk about our topic for this evening, this is also very interesting topic. Because when we talk about our topic, this is relate with digitalization. Indonesia government, of course, put the regulation about broadcasting of Indonesia and the system digital of broadcasting in Indonesia. And of course, the system like how to change from manual to digital, call or normally analog, actually to metamorph to digital. And that's why our topic for this evening is transformation analog to digital television. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Okay, giving applause first. Okay, our topic is analog to digital television. And my first question my first question, how do you think about our topic for this evening? Vera from Bicara. Okay, please. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Honestly, I don't really know about this topic, but and then I don't have much time to study about this topic because I work in a company, one of the company there.
Wow.
But I tried to prepare. I tried to prepare, learn about this topic. If we're talking about the development of television, might not be separated from the analog TV, right? Because in the past we used watching TV, especially for analog TV, right?
Yeah.
Because from what I know, analog TV depends on the antenna, right? It will give an effect. It will give effect from the image, and if the antenna has a problems, like I have an experience like when the antenna in my house get a problems.
Trouble.
Yeah, get troubles, and then I got a lot of problems with my television, like cannot be played, even cannot be played, and then like oh my god.
But today you don't worry about it because now it's still digital. So everything is clear and clean. Yeah, not smooth. There is the smooth how to call in English right there. Okay, but okay, thank you. Keep your statement. Okay, we will continue. Okay, I move to you from setting. Yeah. Okay, I forget your name. Who is your name? Sorry. Adam. Yeah, Adam. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Same like we are
Vera.
Vera. Before I'm going to this place, I have an activity in my campus. That's why I not prepared my topic, your topic to me. So I'm shocked, and then I'm nervous.
Very honest.
For the topic, I think this is a good because you know in Pasar Terong,
okay.
people watching TV like in every day.
Oh yeah.
And then to switch analog
to
digital television, I think that's make it problems in the people in Pasar Terong because you know set-top box expensive, expensive, and then to made to connecting in television is not easier.
Okay, keep your statement.
Yeah.
Okay, we will continue about it.
Okay.
What about you from Hack Rahmat? How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, so I think that converting to from analog to
digital,
has already strong consideration from the government itself, and of course, it has positive and negative. So, for positive, it's more. I mean, it's more clear, and we don't need to. I mean, we don't need to set our television again and again, and we don't need to consider about the antenna like that. But in negative, I think not all the area can access the digital. Probably that's gonna be the problem.
Okay, keep your statement, Rahmat. Okay, I move to you, Agung, Alexander Agung. Yeah, everything is mega or big, Agung, right? Okay, how do you think about our topic for this evening, Agung?
Okay, about the television digital, of course. I think at this time, not everybody often to get watch TV right now because they have a lot of channel in the handphone and anything about that. But I think it's necessary to get discussed because so people know about the like what's the problem about the TV right now? Why you not come back to watch TV anymore?
Yeah, that's the question. Yeah,
that's
is that a big is that a big issue?
It's a big issue.
It's a big issue. Okay, thank you. Give your statement. Okay, I move to the next question. Maybe I want to move to Adam. Okay. Actually, in the fact, our country is the third world country. I mean, in bahasa negara berkembang. In the forward country, actually switch off television. They are very, it's like dini in bahasa. They did dini, but in the third world, like Indonesia, actually because we are the third world country. Let's say telat. Yeah. How do you think about this? Is this are you sure or objection or agree about this that Indonesia is late to converting or transfer our digitalization, especially on TV? Because in United States they are converting in since 2009. Yeah.
For the digital, that is the question, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm agree because for this country, if we just never move on, like just watching an analog, in Indonesia said many semut di sana lah. And then if we switch to digital television, I think that is good because we Indonesian people, I think must watching another programs like.
Is this late or not?
I think. Yeah.
Late?
Yeah.
You're late.
Yeah.
Because the forward can to 2009, 2008, they are ready to switch, right, to converting. Are you still watch TV?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes.
Sometimes I watch TV to watching news, and then join with my mom to watch serial drama like
Ku menangis like that, yeah.
Ikatan Cinta.
No, don't mention it.
I'm sorry.
No problem, no problem.
I think to digital television.
Balak Dangdut Academy also.
That is funny, but I think to digital television that is late, but that is good for Indonesia to have a digital information, digital television. That is good.
Okay, thank you,
all, yeah.
Adam. Okay, I move to Vera. Yeah, how do you think about the regulation in Indonesia, especially for this converting transformation? Is this late or not, or how to say, dini or what? What is your perspective?
Thank you very much for the question. Honestly, I don't really know about it's late or not, but I think it's late.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, I think it's late.
Oh my god.
But I cannot claim that it's good for our country or no, because as you said before, that digital TV has benefits and weakness.
Are you still watching TV?
No.
Oh,
because I can see anything from my phone.
Unfortunately.
Right? And then I don't have a TV in my boarding house.
Okay.
But I have TV in my village, but I rarely watch TV.
But when you back to your village, are you watch TV or
No.
Totally.
Oh,
Wow.
because my TV was broken.
Oh, that's why. Okay, that's why. After this, check your home.
But it's because
it's already
analog
there.
TV.
It's already there. You're new.
Because I use antenna analog TV, so I have to change it to.
But in your
digital
deep
TV.
heart, you still want to watching TV.
Not really.
Oh, not really. Okay. Thank you, Vera.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Agung? Is this regulation late or early or suitable or what?
Okay, in my perspective, it's late.
Late also.
Like,
Why?
It mentioned and warned before the pandemic, I guess. But yeah, it's late.
What happened with this? You always do dance when you speak.
It's so cold.
Okay.
I'm not getting used to cold situation.
I said late.
But like my people, my family, it doesn't have to be concerned about that. I think because
Where are you from?
I from Makassar.
Oh, Makassar. Ujung Pandang.
No.
No. Makassar is Ujung Pandang.
Yes, Ujung Pandang, but I'm actually from Sulawesi Barat.
That's my question.
West Sulawesi.
That's my question.
Even my grandmother doesn't watch TV anymore.
Oh, really?
She just watch it YouTube,
TikTok,
or Facebook,
TikTok. Wow, giving a plus for his mother. Okay. So, what about you? Are you still watching TV?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
I think because I think
you have to beg.
No,
Back.
Because it still have more. We still have to know about more information, but we cannot know it from TV anymore because the information are terbatas.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ageng.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Rahma? Is this a regulation early, suitable, or late, and why?
I would say in some occasion it's not really late
It's not really late. Why?
because digital television is not something new, but it can be accessed only for specific people, like probably for rich people.
Yeah.
That can buy.
You don't need
Set-top
to be
box.
rich to buy set-top box. Come on, Rahmat.
Yeah, but for many people like me,
Oh my
yeah,
God.
it's late. It's so late. So
uh-huh.
because we just watch analog
Analog.
analog
Oh, yeah.
TV, and yeah, it's maybe.
So are you still watching TV?
Yeah.
Always or?
No, not anymore because I don't like the TV program,
Okay.
especially only in specific channel TV like yeah.
Like news.
Yeah.
You like news,
News,
but
I
you
like
don't
news.
like. Yeah, you don't like drama.
I don't like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, keep your statement, Rahmat.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back here in, of course, Smart Up Your Life with English community. They are from Hand, they are from Bicara, they are from Set. Give a applause for us. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, we continue our discussion about analog to digital television for this evening. Yeah. Okay, I move for the next question. Is this new question, the third question, or we still continue for the second question? New? Okay, good. That's clear. Okay. Okay, my next question is talking about converting or transformation analog to digital television. Of course, yeah, absolutely. Everything always has a two side. They are pro or contra, they are negative or positive, they are strengths and weakness, of course. Okay, let's we talk about this. Okay, Agung, in your opinion, what is the benefit, actually this benefit and disadvantages, advantage and disadvantages of this system?
Okay, about digital television, the advantages is about they have a lot of channel, and but in the like what
Disadvantages
disadvantages
Mhm.
is
or weakness?
they just more like Western channel there.
Oh, what do you mean Western?
Western channel like Fox, Net Geo, and other
Mhm.
things like that, and they are mostly in English language.
Sure.
Yep, but we still have connect with local program.
Local channel, you means?
The advantages is we have know things about the West world.
Okay.
In
What about the other side in advantages like the quality, the image?
the image is more clear,
Mm-hmm.
and yep,
Yeah, like that, something like that. Okay,
like
thank
that.
you. I move to Adam. Yeah, still with setting. How do you think about advantages and disadvantages about this system? Yeah, advantages, I mean like strengthness or positive. Yes.
I think the advantages for the digital television is we can watching another programs, not just like watching like Indosiar maybe. For now, if we have a digital television, we can access like HBO, and then you can watching news for another place to watch the another news.
The reach is it's large.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. What about the weakness?
And the weakness is, I think, sometimes if you have a child, and then the Western movie must be pertonton
keep away. You have to
adultery, like I'm sorry, kissing, and then I think that is not good for your child.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay. Okay. What about you? What is the advantages and disadvantages about this regulation?
Yeah. Since a lot of channels from outside, like HBO and something like that, so where they use English, so I think that is advantages. I think that where people can learn English from this channel or from movie. I think that some advantages already mentioned with my friends, but the negative, it's same. So, but I do agree with Adam.
Okay.
So it's about how we handle the kids to watch the channel that we consider is not suitable with our culture. So this is our obligation as the younger or older to control our kids, the children. I'm afraid that they like to watch. Okay, in another side, probably the kids will will learn from English channel, but another side they will break our culture, and they try to adopt the Western culture or something like that.
Okay, Rahman, thank you. What about you, Farah? How do you think about this, the advantages or disadvantages? I mean, weakness and strengthness, positive and negative,
from the
two sides
digital
about
television.
them. About them.
Okay, from the advantages, I think if you talk about the quality, I think digital television is better than analog television. And digital television has many programs, right? And then we can learn, especially for you guys when you want to learn about English. Yeah, but the weakness is I do agree with him because
Which
Western
one? Which
movie.
one you mean him? Because there are three
I love
years.
you. I love you guys. Because the Western,
Sorry, love you.
all of
All of you. Okay, sorry.
Yes. Because the Western movie, right? Yeah.
I agree.
We have to control like children, but I think not only just children, but me
Yeah.
also.
Oh
All
my
of us, I think.
Come
We
on,
have to
oh my God.
avoid adultery, right?
Okay.
Okay, and then the weaknesses, I think maybe not everyone can buy set-top box,
Ooh.
right?
Is this big issue? Big issue or not?
Not for everyone. It depends. Okay.
So yeah, like that, something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. How do you think about the set-top box? Is it big issue? How if the people cannot buy? And some people can buy, some people cannot buy. How do you think about it?
I think only a little bit people cannot buy set-top box because I guess that it's a little bit affordable. 150 to
Ooh, you are very memorized the price.
Yeah, because I just
Are you seller of set-top box?
I'm not a seller, but I just bought the new one.
Okay.
Because my mother want to watch
The Sierra?
TV, so
Or
I
CTI?
bought digital. Sorry,
Set-top box.
top box.
STB. STB.
Yes,
set-top
yes.
box. Mhm.
So
So this is affordable.
probably, affordable in my
Uh-huh.
opinion because
Uh-huh.
only I just bought 200,000 rupiah.
Oh wow,
So-
you very memorizing about
I'm not.
the
I mean, I'm not. I'm not rich man, but I guess 200,000 is quite affordable for me.
Okay, okay. After this, Kak Fatiha wait us to buy set of books. There are 5 people, 10 people. Kidding. Okay, what about you? How do you think about that? Some people can buy, some people cannot buy. What is the solution?
Anyway, how much did you say about the price?
Yeah.
200,000.
200,000.
Yeah. What
think
is about your profession? What the price?
It's expensive, by the way, but the majority of
Oh,
it right now.
rage.
And like more pelosok.
Remote area.
Yes, it's so complicated about the
Mhm.
price.
Mhm.
But like minority is the rich one.
Mhm.
I think
Mhm.
they can afford it.
Mhm. Mhm.
And it's the way we set the set up box in
Mhm,
TV. It's
mhm.
like more complicated.
Mhm.
So I think we need.
What is the solution for the people? Some people cannot buy. What is the solution? Do you have a solution?
Spend their money. in
Make a
the-
charity movement.
Yeah, save the money.
Save they have to save their money.
Save their money.
Okay.
And me too. For me too.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. Thank you. What about you, Adam? How do you think about this? Because some people can buy, some people cannot buy. What is the solution? The best solution in your perspective?
In my opinion, I think people must save the money to buy the set-top box. Wait a minute. How much the? How much the?
You have a different version about the price?
I don't know, because my mother buy the set-top box,
Mm-hmm.
and then I don't know. That's why I shock. Yeah. My mother do not ask me
Mm-hmm.
to the price.
Mm-hmm.
That's make it me shock.
Mm-hmm.
That's expensive. I will give it back the money for my mom. And then I think the solution for peoples like in Pasar Terongs,
You always mention Pasar Terong, my God.
Um, yeah.
Famous.
and
Pasar
then
Terong, Pasar Cidu,
yeah,
Pasar
Pasar Cidu,
Senggol.
Pasar Kalimbu,
Okay.
and then I think they must save the money,
Mhm.
and then if the money not enough, yeah, I think sabar.
Oh, be patient, yeah.
Be patient.
Be patient.
yeah.
Okay, so
That's the solution.
smart people who doesn't have money, yeah, just save your money and waiting. Please be patient. After you collect your money and enough, and after that buy.
Yeah, buy the
Yeah.
set-top box to watch good programs. You
Mm.
never again watch the ain in your
Mm.
television.
Okay, guys. Actually, a lot of channel, even local, national, and international channel in all around the world in each country. How do you think, Adam? Still you. If you have to choose 3 kinds of a channel, like local, national, and international, which one you choose kind of channel and why?
I think I choose a traditional local
Local? Why?
programs, because I think we must save budaya kita. That's why I'm saying if you watch West programs, in there many adultery, many bad education for child. Why if not watch local traditional to take the
Now
Mm.
I'm realized that both them they have a style same when they speaking. Yeah, yeah. Menular ya.
yeah.
Okay, good, continue.
Um
Means that they are soulmate, right? Okay, come on.
That's why I'm say what again?
Okay, sorry.
Question?
Sorry.
Yeah. I think maybe to digital television. I think I will watch at local programs.
Okay.
That for because in local programs many education for us millennial generation Z Gen Z
Yeah.
and then for the child
Okay.
because in the we are country we knows about the adultery because in the in Indonesia we have a big religion that is Islam. That's why I'm saying. Yeah.
Mashallah. Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Next.
That's all.
What about you, Agung? If you have to choose, because a lot of channels, local, national, international. If you have to choose, which one you have to choose and why?
Okay, in my perspective, I more prefer international channel.
Wow.
Because,
Contradiction.
no, not really.
No.
But because we hardly enough to know about the Western, about the outsider world. In local channel, we don't have it. So we have to properly get often to watch the international channel on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and
which one you choose?
Like that.
Okay. Wait. Which one you choose? Western or Eastern?
Western or Eastern?
Yeah, because international. Only two, Western and Eastern, right?
I think it's a harder question.
Which one? Hollywood or Chinese, Korean or Latin? Which one?
They are all necessary. They are important to get have informed by that.
So now take decision.
Okay.
Which one?
I still think.
Okay. 60 seconds for you.
Okay, I think.
No kidding.
Western.
Okay. Why?
I don't know, because I'm a Gen Z, maybe, probably.
Oh, you're a Gen Z. You are like how to say, like rapper, like R&B. You like R&B music, a rapper.
And I know I more prefer about the international
career.
No, like international information. But yes, because in like local, we can know it in our country. We still have in scale in our country.
Stuck.
But we not any of us can go outside the country because we don't have much money to
I
get
see.
used to it like
I see. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Rahman? If you have to choose, do you get my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you have to choose, which one and why?
First of all, I want to say that I don't watch TV at all because I prefer to watch channel on YouTube because a lot of programs that we can enjoy.
But you can watch TV on YouTube also. You can watch live streaming and how to say website. Yeah, you can open website and just into the TV.
Yeah. For I always watch TV from international TV.
Oh, okay.
Like I don't know I
CNN,
don't need to mention
BBC, ABC.
Oh yeah, BBC like
CNBC,
or ABC News,
HBO.
Yeah. In order to practice, firstly, in order to practice my English, and secondly, to enhance my insight about what is happening outside of our country, or what the recent news, like what is happening in France. Like there is a teenager who was killed by French police officer, and I think that is heating up.
Kill.
Yes, kill.
Oh,
so
scary.
I follow the updated news now, and I think it's very useful. But of course, I also updated about the local news in Indonesia, and mostly the headline is about Panji Gumilang. I think.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and also I follow
is the giant is not big, but giant is. Okay, thank you, Rahman. Okay, what about you, Farah? Okay, if you have to choose, did you get my point right? If you have to choose local, national, international channel, which one and why?
I choose international.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, only you local. Come on. Why?
Because I feel like, in my porn, I used to watch English movie or podcast. So I feel like if I want to improve my skill, so I used to watch English. So I decided to watch English. So I choose international program.
You choose international program because it's a global. It's how to say it's like you have to because you have to adapt with international atmosphere, international civilization, right? And of course because this is digital, right? Okay, thank you, Farah. But before actually I move to my next question, maybe you can prepare yourself, guys, to how to say preparing your vocabulary, preparing your ideas, preparing your wise word, preparing your close wise word, and everything about it. Relate with the topic. Okay, I move for the next conclusion. What about is your conclusion about our topic for this evening, Agong?
I think the conclusion is we still have to know about the outside world. Between in our scale in Indonesian, like local. In local, we can know it by ourselves, like we jalan-jalan or but to know about the international information, we have a skala yang terbatas.
Okay,
so we can know it in international channel.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? Sorry. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
My topic, my conclusion. I think from me, digital. It depends on the person. I think you can choose. You can choose digital television or analog television. And I think
willy-nilly. Willy-nilly.
Yes, willy-nilly. It depends on the person. I think, and then has many benefits, but it has weaknesses too, positive and negative too.
So always there is a both side about it.
Yeah. Okay. It depends on that person. Do you want to use analog TV or digital TV? I think.
Okay, thank you. Prepare yourself, guys. Yeah. What about you, Rahmat? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Well, I guess that advantages outweigh the advantages, which meant no debate anymore that digital TV is give us more benefit in terms of many perspective, and also those who cannot, let's say buy set-top box
STB.
Yeah, I think because this is the regulation of the government, so the government should consider about people who cannot buy set-top box, and because like some of our friend or speakers say that not all people can buy set-top box.
Okay, but finally every single person have to buy set-top box because now it's willing, it is digital. Okay, what about you, Adam? What is your conclusion about it? About our topic for this evening?
My conclusion is just me choose local programs, right? That's why I'm saying for the education, for the local programs, we have a much education. So for you all, don't ever forget the local education because we have a budaya,
our identity.
Yeah, identity, and we have a much education. You never see that. That's why you choose the international programs. Because what? Because international programs giving you all the best for you, and you don't know what the kids watch.
Okay.
If kids watching international programs, that is my problems in myself. I think the chill.
Okay.
For the just like us. I think not maybe not the problems. I just think the child. I just think the
So
child.
the point is, we have to absolutely, as Indonesia, love our country, love our identity, love our local, because local is our identity. Okay, do you have a like some words or wise words or idioms to smart viewers and listeners at home related with our topic? Like some words like how to say, like frequency, like switch off, like what is and translate to Indonesia. Do you have some words, guys, or idioms, wise word, kata-kata bijak? No. Do you have
Can
wise? Okay, try
Can I
before we close.
This is maybe you upload the YouTube.
Okay.
To upload in the YouTube, right? I think this is my motivation to your. I think let's like this.
No, make it short, please.
Don't ever forget our country.
Okay, in bahasa.
Jangan pernah lupakan negara kita.
Okay, what about you? Do you have a final words? Wise word? Make it short, please.
Ya, apapun yang terjadi, kita harus tetap cinta dengan negara kita sendiri.
Okay, what about you, Rahmat? Do you have a wise word or final words? Final statement?
I think keep learning.
Keep learning. Thank you. What about you, Vera? Do you have a final words or wise word? Some words, idioms? Come on, I'm trigger you guys.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just want to say
I love you.
Keep learning and don't give up.
Okay, keep moving forward, and willingly, guys, you have to move to an analog to digital, because absolutely today in Indonesia is digital. Give a applause for us. Thank you for coming. Adam from setting, Rahmat from Hack, and Vera from Bicara. Thank you guys so much for your kind attention, for coming in our second home in Smart Up Your Life English discussion with smart communities. I think that's all for our discussion for today. And the topic is analog to digital television. We do hope you can guys get many listen from here. I think that's all. See you. Bye bye for the next week. Bye.